So another concern that I just thought of that pops up when you're thinking about an organization using these communication methods, especially for a school, maybe it's like a high school, college, where there's a robust security, group of kids who maybe like to tamper with things or test their hacking skills. I'm curious, like what your security standpoint is with Rise Vision. What kind of steps are you taking to just bolster your security in general within the application?
Yeah. So I think Rob touched on security a lot when we did our other podcast interview, but people trying to like hack into the displays, it's so common. We hear it all the time, but security is very important to us. And we have single sign on that lets users sign into Rise Vision using their existing identity provider credentials. So this simplifies the user access and management. We work with Microsoft Entra, Google Workspace, and ClassLink. And then you can also set up the SSO for sub companies within your organization. And this is especially prevalent for like school districts or universities. They'll have like their main company, and then they have sub companies or like little branches from within that for their arts department, for their business department, for engineering, whatever it is. You can set that up so that even your sub companies have SSO. It doesn't set up automatically. You would need to set it up manually when you join Rise Vision, but then, you're able to really keep all of your sub companies and companies secure.